Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another box in the mail today. I'm pretty excited about this one. I know I say that. I'm excited about all of them. It's always cool to get boxes in the mail, isn't it? But this is something that I haven't bought in a while, or at least not consistently like we normally do. So it's pretty cool in these exciting times, get something like this and be able to add to the stack. And so why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this open. Should be pretty easy to open. So once in a while these boxes don't like to open up right. Not the box's fault, my fault. But let's see what we have here. Was I able to do it? I think we have to pull it from this side. Alright, see what I told you. So that always obvious on what you need to do. Alright, I think that probably did it. Let me pop it open. Here's an invoice right there. We will just take that out of there. And let's see what we have when we open up the lid. Bubble wrap. I bought some bubble wrap. No, you can see something peering through right there. Yeah, I love these little boxes. These things are so cool. Let's get that out of the way. Let's open this up. And some bubble wrap. A little wrapper. Let's continue to open this up. So it's got a little flap right here. Alright, yeah, I love these little bubble wrap packages too. Okay, here we go. And what do you know? We got another wrapper here. I'm going to take this off as well. It's nice and shiny and reflective. Let me get that out of there. Alright, woo! Alright, here we go. Look at this, folks. There's another one of those commemoratives. You know what? Let me see if I'm going to try to get it out of this little shell because the reflection just takes away from the beauty. So I should be able to pop this open. I'm not going to keep it in this anyway. I'm going to put it in a regular capsule. So let me dump this out of here. Let's push this down. It's making it look small. It is a proof coin. We'll get that off of there. Let's take a look. So commemorative. Oops, got it upside down. 1991 Liberty. Look at this thing. Is this thing beautiful or what? Oh, look at that. I really got a kick. You know, all the commemoratives that I bought, I've never seen one of these out there. I don't know why, if they just don't sell them or I just wasn't paying attention. But look at how the eagle is heading for Mount Rushmore with a hammer and a chisel. Isn't that cool? I just got a huge kick out of that. Normally I don't care about the design because I'm just buying it for the gold content. But I really like this design. Let's flip it over, see what it says on the back. Mount Rushmore National Memorial. $5. E pluribus unum. United States of America. Yeah. Is that a fingerprint on there? Looks like it could be. I'll have to find my cloth and wipe that off. I might have one sitting around here. Maybe not. But yeah, so what do you guys think, huh? I'm just going to give it a quick wipe here. See if we can not have that. I don't think that fingerprint was for me. Maybe it was. I'm going to see if we can get that fingerprint off of there so it doesn't stay in there. Maybe it's a person who stuck it in the capsule that it came in ahead of time. Let's see if that looks any better. Yeah, I kind of smudged it a little bit, but yeah, at least those fingerprints aren't on there anymore. But yeah, what do you think about this design, huh? Man, that is really cool. So I bought this from Liberty Coin on eBay. I used eBay bucks and got it for just a few dollars above spot, which is always cool. Although spot's pretty high nowadays. But yeah, what do you think, huh? Now, for those of you that don't know, this is almost a quarter ounce. It's 0.2419 ounces of gold. So to figure out how much spot is for it, let's say that spot is $2,000. Just take a nice round number, and it is about that. It's a little more than that right now. So if we take 2,000, multiply it by 0.2419, you can see here that to pay spot for it, you'd be paying $483.80 if you got it for spot. So yeah, $483 for spot. And so yeah, that's how you calculate it. So that's what you want to use, because it's not a quarter ounce, it's a little bit shy of a quarter ounce. Let's do the math here real quick. Let's say that we did think it was 0.25, an exact quarter ounce. Let me set this down. Oh yeah, nice shot there. Zoom in a little bit. Look at that. What a beauty, huh? I really like that coin. The shadow on my camera tonight, I changed some of the settings so it wouldn't flicker anymore. And it's not flickering, but it looks like the color's off a little bit. So let's do our math then real quick. So if we did the $2,000 spot times 0.25, that'd be $500. Even, perfect $500, of course. 25% of 2,000 is 500. But multiplying it by the actual weight, which is 0.2419, that's $483.80. So $483.80. So that little bit of a difference is $16.20 by using the exact weight of 0.2419. $16.20 difference. So it's important, if getting it close to spot's important, that you know those actual numbers. So as you remember, these commemoratives are 0.2419, just like the $5 pre-1933. 0.2419 is a pretty common number that they use for a lot of the gold coins in America. But check out these commemoratives on eBay. I'm telling you, you can get them pretty close to spot if you go looking for them and if you're patient. And that's what I did. So let's go ahead and flip it over here. Let's just get a good look at this other side. Very nice. That is a proof coin, so that's why we got the mirror finish on it. See that mirror finish? See it looking at my finger there? Nice mirror finish on there. Look at that mirror finish. Yeah. Just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful coin. Let's take one more look at it, a little bit closer. This is just such a beautiful coin, man. Very, very nice. I love that artwork on there. Well, all right. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.